This video will teach you how to create buyer profile via the persona analytic in the Ohsemads platform. Firstly, click on the Create Persona. Then it will link you to Ohsemads where you can set and identify your target audience. There are total 4 segments of analytics and I'm choosing identity versus product, as my aim is to sell my product to my target market. Then fill in the socio-demographic of the customer you want to target. After done, click Generate, and once generated, the credit will be deducted. Here it is, the demographic group and behavioral data of my buyer profile is presented. Remember to click Save and rename it. Search Dashboard to check your newly created buyer profile. Return to your REV Ads, refresh, and the created buyer profile is immediately updated in the audience lists. So select your created buyer profile and proceed to set criteria for audience and campaign. If you want to know how to create campaign in REV Ad from start to end, please watch my previous video.